For new video updates, subscribe to the NutSpace YouTube channel.
Indiscernible, indiscernible, indiscernible. Unnoticeable, impossible to see clearly or tell the difference.
Hello? Yes, I would like to place an order for 15 cookies.
15 cookies.
What's the occasion?
Okay, it's my sister's birthday, so please make sure they're fresh.
Oh, don't worry, they'll be absolutely fresh.
Okay, I'll just send you the address.
Thank you.
Well, you have some new order?
Oh, yes. And I have just baked some fresh cookies. Let me see how they're doing. They smell delightful, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
But they're not enough.
How many do you need?
I need 15 cookies. I have an idea. The time has come to use this. My old stock.
But that's old stock.
I know that's old stock. But, I think there was a child on the other side. And I don't think he'll get to know the difference. So I'll put a few of the fresh cookies and I'll put a few of the old cookies and I'll get rid of this stock as well and I'll make some extra profits.
But that's cheating.
I've done it many times. The difference between the two is indiscernible. This child will never figure it out. Let me get started with the packing. Just pass me that box, please.
Yeah.
Give me some old ones. Great. Do you want to know what happens next? Well then, subscribe to our channel and tune in next week for the rest of the story. Find out if the baker gets caught or not. Let's use indiscernible in a sentence now. When she receives an order for cookies, the baker decides to use up her old stock too. She packs a few freshly baked cookies along with some old ones. She feels that the customer would never get to know since the difference between the two is indiscernible. The word indiscernible adds the not or opposite of prefix to discernible from its Latin root discernere, which means to set apart or to distinguish. Indiscernible का मतलब है स्पष्ट रूप से अंतर ना बता पाना, भेद करना असंभव। इस वीडियो में हमने देखा कि अपनी बहन के बर्थडे के लिए एक बच्चा 15 कुकीज़ का ऑर्डर देता है। ऑर्डर पूरा करने के लिए बेकर पुराने स्टॉक से कुकीज़ डालने का फैसला करती हैं। उन्हें लगता है कि क्योंकि ऑर्डर एक बच्चे ने किया है, उसे दोनों कुकीज़ में अंतर नहीं पता चलेगा। वह कहती हैं कि वह पहले भी ऐसा कर चुकी हैं और कभी भी किसी को अंतर नहीं पता चला है। यह तो फिर भी एक बच्चा है। I've done it many times. The difference between the two is indiscernible. This child will never figure it out. Let me get started with the packing. Just pass me that box, please.